I'm back again today to have you practice some adding sentences with me. I'm really excited. Let's get started. So yesterday we remembered that the plus sign's name is Gus the Plus, and that his job is to hold numbers together. We practiced yesterday taking our number sentences and making them into picture sentences, which helps us add. So we're going to do a couple today where you're going to practice with me. So you should have a pencil, a paper, and 2 crayons. If you don't, you can pause the video and get them now. Great job. So friends, let's get started. And I am going to write a number sentence, and you are going to write the number sentence on your paper, okay? And since you're just starting your adding, you might want to make the sentences a little bigger to give yourself plenty of room to make your picture sentence, okay? All right, let's get started with a number sentence that looks like this. 3 plus 3 equals. Do you remember the first thing that we did yesterday when it was time to add? With our crayons. I'll give you a hint. I have 2 crayons. Well, I have markers. You might have crayons. What's the first thing that we did? Right, we put a circle around that first number. I'm putting a red circle around the 3. That reminds me to make 3 red circles under my number 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, what does this symbol say? What's the symbol's name? Right, Gus the Plus. I'm going to write that symbol next to my 3 red circles. Now, what am I going to do with my next number? Right, I'm going to circle it with a different color. I chose blue. That reminds me that I need to put 3 blue circles under my number 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to bring this symbol down, which is equals. And do you remember what we do next? Yes, we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Great job. Let's see if we can do it together. So I'm going to write it and you're going to tell me what to do, okay? I'm going to put a line between my problems. Okay. You ready to try one? Super duper. Okay. I'm going to do 5 plus 2 equals. That's our number sentence. Do you remember what we did first? Right, we circled the first number. That's the number 5. And the red circle around my number 5 reminds me to do what? Make 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you notice my circles were not too big and they didn't touch? Because if they go over top of each other, it's harder to count them. That's why we do that. Okay. Now, I did my 5 red circles. What do I do next? Right, I write my Gus the Plus. And then what do I do next? Good. I put a blue circle around my second number, which reminds me to make 2 blue circles. 1, 2. Good. So I have my number sentence, I have my picture sentence, and I am going to count them. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Oh, good job. Adding is fun. Let's try another one. Okay. Let's see. How about 1 plus 2? You might know this one, and that's okay. But I want you to practice using your colors so that you get in a good habit of doing your math and understanding it. So what's the first thing you need to do if the sentence is 1 plus 2? Great job. I'm going to put a red circle around my number 1, which tells me to do what with my picture sentence? Great. I'm going to put 1 red circle under my 1. I hope you're doing that at home too. Okay. What are we going to do next? Right? We're going to write Gus the plus. And then, what do we need to do? Great. Circle the number 2 with a different color. I used blue. What color did you use? Wow, good working. Then I'm going to put 2 blue circles underneath. And you tell me how many there are altogether. Right, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Good, let's try another one. Let's try, let's try 4 plus 1 equals. This is our number sentence. Now it's time for our picture sentence. What do we do first? You got it. We put a red circle around our 4. I hope you're doing that with me at home. Then I need to do what? Right, make 4 red circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to, right, make Gus the plus. You do that too. And then, good. We put a blue circle around that 1. And how many blue circles do I want down here? Just 1. And now what do I do to find out the answer? Super, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Good. Let's do 2 more. And then you can practice with mom or dad at home. Okay, I'm going to write one and see if you can do it. 4 plus 4 equals. I'm going to give you a little time to do it on your own. Get those pencils and crayons and see what you can do. How'd you do? Good. Let's check and see if that's right. So first we put our red circle around the 4. And how many red circles do we put underneath? Good. I'm going to do that with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what did we do? Put that Gus the plus sign. And we'll put that blue circle around the floor, 4. And how many blue circles do I put underneath? Right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Super job. Let's do one more. Okay, let's do Let's do 2 plus 6 equals. So I'm going to give you a minute to do it by yourself. You are working so hard. I'm so proud of you. I'm going to go over it just to make sure. So let's put a red circle for the number 2. So how many red circles do we need? Super. 1, 2. And then we're going to bring that the plus sign down, and we're going to put a blue circle around the 6. And how many blue circles? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what do we need to do? We sure do. We need to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Oh, friends, I'm so proud of how hard you worked. That was wonderful. You did a super great job. And we will keep practicing adding over the next week or so, and then we can try subtracting. But you did so great. I'm so proud of you. If you had so much fun, you can practice with Mom and Dad at home. I miss you so much. I'm really proud of you. I hope you're staying home and staying safe. Bye.